known as NAHRIM. He obtained his bachelor degree in civil engineer from Louisiana State University, USA, Japan. He is a certified professional in erosion and sediment control and has served as technical advisory panel and experts panel in various technical working groups and professional bodies. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Insinyur Haji Muhammad Nasir will present on new perspective on optimizing rainwater harvesting as alternative water resources through research and development initiative. Please welcome Dr. Insinyur.
Thank you. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and very good morning. Yang bahagia, Yang Berhormat Datuk Seri Tuan Ibrahim bin Tuan Man, Minister of Environment and Water, Profesor Dr. Anwar bin Ahmad, Rector TATI College, Tuan Haji Hussein bin Ismail, Presiden Amal Malaysia, fellow speakers, visitors, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for inviting NAHRIM. I'd like to share this morning on R&D initiative on new ways on rainwater harvesting, or we call it alternative water. Okay, I talk the overview of rainwater harvesting in Malaysia. What they have done, the background, what going to be, and what NAHRIM has done as well. Next one, and then on the activity for water resources, the R&D initiative, and there's on the last one, the summary and the way forward. For the overview, since 1998, a drought, we have an El Nino effect. That's when search of alternative water, when we have a water stress issues in Kuala Lumpur, in the Klang Valley. In this context, most of people try to find alternative through rainwater. It's the cheapest way of getting water in Malaysia. We have plenty of water, averaging. In this context, most of people try to find alternative through rainwater per year. It's the cheapest way. That's why water is always there. We have plenty of water, averaging. In this context, most of people try to find alternative through rainwater per year. It's the cheapest way. That's why water is always there. Our local government, in this context, most of people try to find alternative through rainwater per year. And by the year after that, our local government next year, 2007, sorry, our local government next year, 2007,
Kalau live ni, kita tengok kat Zoom ke tengok kat YouTube. YouTube lagi bagus.
Cuma YouTube dia delay sikit. Dia delay sikit. Delay. Kat YouTube delay.
Oh, delay.
10 second je.
Tadi pasal tu dekat 10 second delay. Masuk dalam
Ustaz attend conference sambil boleh jalan-jalan.
hebat. Dia baru nak usul.
The rain, and then we release to sewage system. And from the sewage system, like in NAHRIM, we create, we say the reclaim water go through all our sewage system in NAHRIM.
Last one, I got one.
WSUD Australia design and USUDS sustainable design system. WSUD Australia and Malaysia actually all these things we call MASMA embarked by SUDS sustainable design. All similar concept. WSUD Australia and Malaysia actually all these things we call MASMA at the source embarked by SUDS sustainable integrated urban water catchment all similar concept. WSUD Australia and Malaysia actually all these things we call method that embarked by SUDS put the extra mile of integrated urban water catchment all similar concept. Malaysia we have a lot of all these things another method that embarked by SUDS put the extra mile of integrated urban water catchment all similar concept. Malaysia we have a lot of all these things another method that embarked by SUDS put the extra mile of integrated urban water catchment all similar concept. Malaysia we have a lot of all these things another method that embarked by SUDS put the extra mile of integrated urban water catchment all similar concept. Malaysia we have a lot of all these things another method that embarked by SUDS put the extra mile of integrated urban water catchment how they manage Singapore, anyone who drop water lot of problem nowadays we're having this dirty water not enough and causing disruption in our water system and so on. And sensors can help us in getting through this. R&D, this is where we try to push in. We have a NAHRIM Tank 2.0. This is everybody in Malaysia can go into it and try to design their own rainwater system. How big the tank should be and how much water we can harvest from our own roof. From there, we can do our own distribution system, whether to our toilet and to our lawn and to clean purposes or especially for general use. And this is not for drinking purposes, only for non-potable use. Next one, we have the real-time monitoring being NAHRIM. And this is actually, we know which toilet we flush, how much we use, and how much from the rain and we store that we invested into this activity. Next one is our alternative water resource master plan with Kuala Lumpur. I will show the quite in detail for this one later on. It's one of the projects done by government of Malaysia to ensure that alternative water can be provided in city of Kuala Lumpur. It's a large scale community. Even though we have been directive been given, but still is quite the investment is still not there, and we got teams doing R&D to make sure that large scale community can use rainwater or active water in the future. The new approach and perspective, this is using sistem bekalan air of alternative water source instead of rainwater supply. Meaning that instead of bringing water from the rivers, why not we bring directly from the rainwater, and also from the pond, and also from the groundwater. The groundwater, I will show that we are not actually want to let the groundwater. It's not so much, but the people available can transport water to underground storage. This is the water demand. It low and high. Average about 1,000 ml per day.
Kau dah ambil bawah kan mic? Dia ambil audio. Masuk eh? Kau masuk. Ini tadi delay. Ini dah. Test 1, 2, 3.
And everybody play part of the role. You see, everybody, community or individual, harvest or or store water coming from their roof gutter through certain tank, we can reduce a lot of our water problems. And from this activity, we believe that we can store almost 16% from our water needs and our flood problem as well. Future growth, future our rainwater harvesting, you want to make it as a tool to increase the resilience of urban water systems, meaning that I say the circular economy, meaning that we try to close the loop between the resource and the usage as much as possible, as small as possible, as fast as possible. Within that, we can save a lot, and we are going to reduce waste. That's what we mean by circular economy. And rainwater is directly coming to us, is very close to our residents in our rooftop. Why not use it? Rainwater for large scale. This is where research being done in other countries. We suspect that's why I say about 10 to 20% save. We can saving on water usage, water needs or demands in the country. They say it's 1,000. For Kuala Lumpur, it's quite different. After we study that, if we manage well our alternative water and water coming from surface and rainfall as shown just now, actually we can get 100% for water usage. If we manage well our alternative water and water coming from surface and rainfall as shown just now. Okay, this is pro and cons for advantage and disadvantage. The alternative water, because they are low treatment, and that's why it's a low cost and minimal impact to impact the environment, because we directly come from the roof when we reduce it, or we store it underground into our aquifer. You can read the pro ourselves, and then the con is so people think that rainwater, the quality is unreliable. It's not true. Okay, because our first flush is very important. Every 5 to 10 minutes we let it go. Okay? Because where the E. coli, the dropping from the birds and animals are on top of our roof, they want to go to the drain. But after that, we can start to catch after 5 minutes because flushing. Desalinization of water in our community. This is where study by in China. It says that not only the groundwater can be used, okay, but also the rainwater and other water. What we do in NAHRIM, okay, we try to make use of every drop of water we produce inside the NAHRIM, from our rain to our reclaimed water, and we use it back. Even though our toilet also use rainwater, that's how we try to save our water usage, because it is a research institute. We want to show to the world that every drop of water inside our institute is usable. And way forward for gap recommendation in this. The data collection integration is quite challenging. We need a lot of new tools because things going to be real time, especially in this IT or IR 4.0 or 5.0 later on. The case by case scenario, we must know that it's not the same. Maybe things that happen in Kuala Lumpur not the same as Kuantan or other countries. And it's more effective in reliable water solutions, actually, but to find out the water loss over the non-revenue water, because the distribution part when I think of after that, public acceptance, because of the water quality may not be clean. Actually, it's clean. We know how to do it. Filtration process is important. You can use the sun for your UV. Water conservation, safety, and sustainability, especially for this bottling type, the dispenser type, and so on. And recommendation that alternative water source is visibility in front of our home, in front of our eyes. You can make use directly. The technology advancement is now you can use sensors, IT, or any advanced type of technology nowadays. The framework assessment for AWI, alternative water, need to be justified and start to be put into at the drawing board. The framework assessment, the system recommendation about water, the system IT purpose agreement, interpretation, we just name it, dynamic strategy, environmental expertise, and so on. With that, I'd like to conclude my presentation. If any question, please raise a hand or can email to me or put into the chat. Thank you for the invitation. Thank you so much. With that, I'd like to conclude my presentation. If any question, please.
Thank you so much, Dato' Insinyur Haji Muhammad Nasir, for the enlightenment on the new stance on optimizing rainwater as alternative water resources. Dato', if let's say you don't mind, one of our participants here requests the slides that you presented as alternative water resources.
We will email to the secretariat.
Thank you so much, Dato'. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you again, Dato' Insinyur Haji Muhammad Nasir, for the brilliant presentations.